girl Kanesha, and I'm back with another video. I'm looking a hot mess, oily as heck, but you know what? It's fine because I'm coming from work. And for those of y'all that don't know, I work at a Michael's. And for the little kitties out there, I thought it'd be fun to make slime. I used to be in the classroom at Michael's, so I made slime all the damn time. And now Elmer's has, well, it's been out for a while, but Elmer's has come out with like color changing, what did I get? I think they have color changing metallic and glow in the dark. So I think I only have the color changing and the metallic. So we're going to make some slime. Alright, so let me get the stuff and we'll be right back. So I got my stuff. We got a little bin. I don't know if I shall tell y'all the prices. I got my receipt. So I got the Recollections clear basket. This was $4.99, but with my discount it came to $3.49 Canadian. I got the Elmer's Magic liquid. This was $14.99, but I got it for $7.10. I have the Elmer's metallic glue in the color teal, and this was originally $6.99. I got it in I got it for $4.89. Oh no, $3.43. And this one is the Elmer's color changing in blue, and it changes to purple, violet, and this I got for $4.89. So let's get into this video. Okay, so normally when I make my slime at work, I use glue, baking soda, and contact solution. Now I bought this because I was curious. I was like, oh, I never used this, let me try it. So this just says we need glue, this, and it makes slime. So let's see. So I'm going to pour the whole thing into the bin here. Okay, I think that's enough glue. So then we're gonna take the liquid. Now it don't this don't have a smell. I'm concerned. Okay, so then it don't tell you. I'm just gonna put, first of all, okay, so let me add, oh, this thick, she thick. 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll say 4. And now we're going to mix. put it here. And there we go. Ooh, this feels so nice. Sticking to my rings, bro. Like this. But how does it change to purple? I'm so confused. Just add sunlight. This, I thought it was like, I thought it would change color like by touch, but it don't. This is one slime. Okay, so we're gonna put that off to the side and do the other one. So this one is the metallic. Ooh, this is pretty. This is pretty, y'all. This one smells funky. I'm gonna leave it there just because this one's actually, this color is really pretty. Ooh, I think I added too much. Okay, this is making too much noise. Hold on, y'all. Let me get it out. I don't think, compared to this one, they're super slimy though. Super slimy, super stretchy. The more you play with it, the better consistency you get. But y'all, look at this color. And I kind of got the consistency that I want. These are yes. Okay, so here's the two intertwining together. Oh, here we go. Here's a nice little look. Oh no. Let's try it again. Ready? Oh, oh. And that is how y'all make slime. But yeah, this was a fun little short little video. It was really fun to make for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. And if you learned how to make slime today, comment, tell me, and send me pictures on Instagram of the slime you made. I'd love to see it.
If I want to know where me come from, pretty little islander.